Good morning, students. Let's read second half of the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo by Edward Lear. In the first video, I have discussed the first half of the poem with you. Come to this. Up to here, we were reading, discussing that the kangaroo proposed uh, one objection, that there is only one objection that while taking the duck on that ride on the tip of its tail. And what was that? Let's read. Which is, if you will let me speak so bold, bold here means frank, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Unpleasantly means causing discomfort, and would probably give me the rheumatism. Rheumatism means rheumatism. This is a disease. In Hindi, we call it gathia, said the kangaroo. So, what was the objection? Kangaroo is the speaker here. The kangaroo said that if the duck allowed him to speak very frankly, very boldly, there was just one problem, one objection, that it was, what was that? It was that the duck's feet would cause the kangaroo some discomfort. And what was that discomfort? They uh, the duck's feet were very wet and cold, and their touch on the kangaroo's body could cause him rheumatism. Why duck's feet were wet and cold? Because all the time duck lives in that pond and water. That's why. Said the duck, as I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of worsted socks. Means socks means stockings. Worsted means woolen stockings, which fit my web feet neatly. A web feet kya meaning is feet which are like web like, and neatly means trimly, पूरी तरह से, अच्छे से, neatly. Here we read, the duck said to the kangaroo that he was already aware of that problem, that कि उसके जो feet हैं वो wet and cold, and that could cause problem to the kangaroo. Sitting on the rock, he had also thought over it, and to sort out the problem, he had bought what? 4 pairs of worsted socks, and these socks fitted him well. And let's read next lines. And to keep out the cold, I have bought a cloak. Cloak means robe. ये लंबी ड्रेस होती है पाँव तक. तो in the vocab this term is given, vocabulary pages, उसमें ये टर्म दी गई है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस में. ये लॉन्ग टाइप का कोट होता है. एंड एवरी डे a cigar I'll smoke, and to follow my own dear true love of a kangaroo. The duck said that he had taken other measures too to keep out the cold. He had bought, what measures he had taken, उसने क्या क्या arrangements किए. Robe he had bought, 4 pairs of socks he had bought, and he had also decided to smoke a cigar every day for the same reason. What reason? To keep out the cold. And he had done so much only to make his friend kangaroo comfortable while they ride. Said the duck, I'm ready. All in the moonlight pale. Pale yellowish color जो हम बोल देते. But to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady. Steady means motionless without any movement, and quiet at the end of my tail. Kangaroo said to the duck that he was ready to give him a ride, In the pale moonlight, the kangaroo asked his dear friend duck to sit motionless. It was needed for the kangaroo uh, to balance himself. He asked him to sit at the end of its tail. So away they went with a hop and bound. Hop and bound means jumping and leaping. These both words meaning is all approximately same. Jumping, leap का meaning भी jump ही होता है. And they hopped the whole world 3 times around. 3 times means thrice, 3 बार. And why so happy? Oh, oh, and sorry. And who so happy? Oh, who? As the duck and the kangaroo. As the duck and the kangaroo. Question is marked over here कि कौन ज़्यादा हैप्पी था, डक के कैंगरू, उस जर्नी को लेकर, उस राइड को लेकर. Therefore, the duck and the kangaroo started their uh, journey, jumping and leaping. They traveled around the world 3 times. There was no one happier than the duck and the kangaroo. They both were very happy. The answer is they both were very happy. They enjoyed a lot. With this, we ended this interesting point.